Now I'm going to show you how to install 9.5 Oracle Linux. Okay, this is also a lot of people are using in the market, like MySQL Server databases and even Oracle databases. They are doing this one. From where I've been downloaded is from this website. Okay, here 9.4, 9.5 like this we have. You can download full ISO file or bootable related ISO files and source related things. Okay, now I'm installing full only. I already downloaded. I'll show you the size of that. See here, Oracle. The size is approximately 11.7 GB. Okay, means total packages will be inbuilt. Okay, fine, for that we are learning, right? Nothing to worry. And go here. I'm starting a new machine. Okay, Red Hat, right? Oracle Linux also we have, I think so. Oracle Linux, select this one, go here, and location, let it be fine. Next, 25 GB you can keep it, or we can use 30 GB also. Fine, finish. Okay, now you can add the CD ISO file where we downloaded. We downloaded at this one. Fine. Okay, done. Now before going to start, some small setting you have to verify here. BIOS only. Sometimes what happens is the BIOS will be, it won't enable. Okay, by default it won't, some cases. Okay, this is fine. Okay, done. Then start the installation. Just give enter. It is started. Okay, it is verifying. Okay, you can give escape also, no problem. It is taking time. Okay, and I'm selecting Oracle Linux 9.5. okay, just go with continue. All three what we have, the Linux is CentOS Linux, Red Hat Linux and Oracle Linux are same. Okay, root password I'm giving. Lock, we can lock it. I'm not allow SSH. A user, create, make administrator, okay, password weak, let it be. Fine. And here by default method only I'm going. No, disk is not selected. Why? Yeah, done. You can give whatever you want. I'm giving Oracle 9.5 server. Apply. You can done. Then start begin. Hardly it will take 15 minutes of time. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it's fine. It is done. I will reboot the server. Yeah, it is rebooting. It is taking time because I given 2 GB of memory, right? For that reason only it is taking more, very 3 GB I have given, I think so. Okay, fine. Then go here, login, en12. Yes, not required. See here, a lot of it's very beautiful it is there. We can open a terminal. Okay, we can maximize this one. Maximize, fine. You can increase the fonts also. Go here and preference. Here you can increase the font. Okay, just if you want to keep it like this only, if you want to go with 14, okay, 15, select, done. What is the version? cat etc os release. Yeah, see here, 9.5 version. Fine. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.